Here's a top focus here at NDTV. The crass comment row that is haunting YouTubers now. YouTuber Ranveer Allahabadiya and Apurva appeared before the National Commission for Women today. They were among the 4 judges on Samay Raina's show, India's Got Latent, which comes on the social media platform YouTube. These YouTubers have been facing criticism since that comment was made on parents, a joke that was cracked by YouTuber Ranveer Allahabadiya. Now, currently, as we speak, both these YouTubers are inside the National Commission for Women office here in Delhi, and the commission is asking them serious questions about what was the state of mind of Ranveer Allahabadiya when he cracked this joke. Was he aware of the impact it will create on the people who watch this show? And what were the reasons behind making such a sick joke? These are the comments that were made by Ranveer Allahabadiya on that show. The commission has taken serious note of these vulgar and offensive remarks made by content creators such as Ranveer Allahabadiya. Along with him at that show, Samay Raina was present, Apurva was there, Jaspreet Singh and Ashish Chanchalani. More YouTubers were present at the show when these comments were made. Now, show producers are also inside NCW office, Tushar Pujari and Saurabh Bothra. Both have been summoned by the NCW, and the NCW is currently grilling the India's Got Latent team on that episode, which made headlines after that comment was made by YouTuber Ranveer Allahabadiya. Now, the NCW has moreover urged that rules should be in place to regulate content on such social media platforms. Remember, this India's Got Latent producers, they have a choice of making it unavailable to people below a certain age limit. But that wasn't the case when this episode was aired. My colleague Tanushka is joining me right outside from the NCW office. Tanushka, take us through the details. How long has it been for these YouTubers who are being grilled by the NCW?
Right, Aditi, I'm currently outside the National Commission for Women's headquarters office here, wherein Ranveer Allahabadiya and Apurva Mukhija, YouTubers, are currently present inside as they are being questioned by the women's panel. Remember, the women's panel had earlier also summoned these YouTubers, not just Ranveer Allahabadiya and Apurva Mukhija, but also Samay Raina, Ashish Chanchalani, who were present on the show at that point, wherein a vulgar and offensive remark was made by YouTuber Ranveer Allahabadiya during the show, during Samay Raina's show, India's Got Latent, which sparked this entire controversy. And what we are understanding is that they were summoned earlier as well on February 17th, but none of them could make it to the NCW, which is why today they have been summoned again. The date was given again for them to appear, another chance to appear before the NCW. And it's very important to note that this is the second time that they've been called. Currently inside, the producers of the show, Saurabh Bothra and Tushar Pujari, are also present. And Ashish Chanchalani, another YouTuber in the case who is involved in the controversy, his lawyers are also present currently inside. Now, this probe that is going on is being, of course, chaired by the chairperson of the National Commission for Women. And the women's panel has maintained very strong grounds on this case that they will, not put up with such vulgar and offensive remarks, and that this sort of language on social media platforms will not be acceptable. This is something along the same lines that the Supreme Court has also resonated when Ranveer Allahabadiya reached out to the court to merge his FIRs that were filed in different states, and the court also very clearly maintained that that Ranveer Allahabadiya is not to participate in any such shows in the near future, at least for a good amount of time. So we're of course yet to understand what is going down in this probe, in this meeting right now that is happening inside the NCW office, with Ranveer Allahabadiya and Apurva Mukhija currently present inside. We'll get you more details as and when.
Right. Now, also, Tanushka, take us through what the Supreme Court said to Ranveer Allahabadiya. The Supreme Court has also come down very heavily on these YouTubers after that crass comment was made on parents. The Supreme Court advised these YouTubers to refrain from any insensitive comments and jokes on their handles. Tell us about the impact that these jokes make.
Precisely, the Apex Court did say, call out Ranveer Alabadia and said that there's something very dirty in his mind to, go about with such sort of statements and pass them off as jokes on social media platforms when his audience is, sparring across the board, across demographics, across age groups, and it is on social media. It is out there for anyone to look up for, therefore exposing not just, this sort of an unhealthy sort of an environment, but also for young adults and young children as well who have access to social media and platforms like YouTube. So easy access to such sort of platforms has also come about into question, wherein people like Ranveer Alabadia, who are YouTubers, who are influencers, they have some sort of, a following, and when they make these sort of comments, then how far can these comments be allowed, and what is, the metric for the same as well? These are questions that have been doing the rounds. Even in the Supreme Court hearing, we do know that the bench has ordered that no new criminal cases must be registered against Mr. Alabadia on the basis of his remarks, and that he would be at the liberty to also approach the police station in Thane for personal protection in event of any threat. Remember, Ranveer Alabadia and Apurva Mukhija have also brought about that they have received death threats, and Apurva Mukhija has even received rape threats in the aftermath of this entire India's Got Latent controversy. Back to studio.